Hi, NET aspirants. Welcome to virtual learning programs. In this session, we are talking about one reasoning topic, reasoning logics. When you go through my sessions or the review of the 2017 question paper, you can definitely realize that from this reasoning topic, they ask 9 questions. So I am discussing one of the topics from this question. Today we are discussing one simple topic, that is series test. Series test means they will give you one series or a sequence of things and you have to find that what will come next. Okay, so for the NET exams we have 4 types of possible questions from this series test, and the first type is directly associated with numbers, and the second type is associated with alphabets, and the third one is alphanumeric, the numbers and the words combined, and the fourth one is continuous pattern series. So these are the 4 types of questions we are expecting for the paper 1 NET exams. Okay, now in this session we are discussing about the first one, that is number series. Okay, I will just need to discuss one small example with you. As you can see in this video, 1, 4, 9, 16 question mark. Okay, so they give you simple numbers and you have to find that which number will come next after 16. So how we are going to solve this? For solving this question, we have to find what is the logic behind this number. Okay, and you can simply say that after cross-checking this point, first number I can call it as 1 square, second number as 2 square, third as 3 square, next is 4 square. Definitely the answer is what? 5 square. So these are the number squares of natural numbers. So this is fun logic. Remember, reasoning questions, all the reasoning questions are associated with the common sense and logic. So you have to keep a logical mind when you solve these kind of questions. So let's start. I will say that for solving this question, you have to take the squares. So there is one more solution for this. Okay, so by taking the difference of number, we will get some other logic. Okay, so consider this 1 and 4, first number and second number. You know that the difference between the first and second number is 3. That means if we add the 3 along with the 1, you are getting an answer 4. And what is the difference between the 4 and 9? So 4 and 9, the difference is 5. And 9 and 16, the difference is 7. You see this point? The difference is getting a logic. 3, 5, 7. So next is what? 9. So 3, 5, 7, 9. So there, if you choose that route, then also you are getting the answer as 25. So for solving this question, either you can take a logic of the number square or you can take a logic of the difference of the numbers. So remember, all the questions have different logic. So those who are finding the logic correctly will get the right answer. So that is the idea of this number series. It's a very simple and very important question for paper 1. So I will give you one question and definitely give you 1 minute for solving this. I'll keep waiting. You just think about this question and find the answer. So this is a previous question from 2013 question paper. Go through it and find the answer. Think about the numbers. Take your time. 1, 6, 15. So middle number is missing. Then 45, 66, 91. Okay. So let me explain. You can see these numbers. It's definitely don't have any relation with the square of numbers. It's correct, right? See 1, 6, 15. So it is not at all connected with the square of numbers. What I am going to do is I will take the difference of the numbers. Okay, and I come to know that the difference between the first number and the second number, 1 and 6 is 5, and 6 and 15 is 9, and we don't know the difference between the 5 and question mark and 45, we don't know it, but the difference between the number and 45 and 66, it is clear for us. Okay, and 45 and 66, the difference is 21, and 66 and 91, the difference is 25. So you can see these yellow boxes. The yellow boxes, it is 5, 9, and here it is 21 and 25. So 5, 9. So you come to realize one real fact: 5 and 9, there is a difference of 4, right? 5 plus 4 is 9, and this 21 and 25, 21 plus 4 is 25. So we can definitely fill the middle boxes by adding plus 4 along with each number. So what we did first was, we find the connection, we take the difference of the main numbers, and we come to realize the yellow boxes. After realizing the yellow boxes, we have to fulfill the connection between the yellow boxes by adding 4 along with each number, like 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, 21 plus 4 is 25. So it is very clear for us that the yellow boxes are clearly connected with adding 4. I think it's clear for you. Okay. If the yellow box is very clear, then it's very easy for us to find the question mark. The answer is 15 plus that yellow box. That yellow box is what? 13. So 15 plus 13, your answer is 28. Okay. So what is the logic? Let's revise this question. The logic of this question is taking the difference of the question, the difference of the number first, then we will find the connection of those difference numbers. Okay. So first we take the blue boxes, yellow boxes, then we find the right answers. So in question number 1, we find that we can simply answer the first question by taking the difference of the numbers or by taking the squares. But in question number 2, we have to take the difference. So that is very important. So when we go through each and every questions, you come to realize that each question have a different logic. So there is no common rule for reasoning questions. Remember that fact. Okay, I will give you one more question. You have to find your own. Okay. This is 2016 question paper question, and a very previous one, and a very beautiful question. I will give you 30 seconds for checking these answers. Try yourself. Take some paper and pen and try it. I will wait. The numbers 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. Next number. So definitely the number is getting bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger means what? Something doubling or something getting bigger. So logic is very simple. Let me explain. The first number, I am doubling the first number and adding 1 to the result. So 2 double 4 plus 1 is 5. Is that point clear? First number double, then plus 1. So that is 5. So 2 double 4 plus 1 is 5. And the second number is 5. 5 double is what? 5 double is 10 minus 1. Okay, so we get the logic. First number double plus 1, we are getting the second number. Then it is double minus 1. Again it is double plus 1. Again it is double minus 1. You see that 2 double plus 1 is 5. 5 double is 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 double plus 1. 9 double is 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 double minus 1. So that is 37. So the next answer is what? Next 37 double plus 1, and we have to multiply 37 into 2 or 37 double, it is 74. 74 plus 1, your answer is 75. The same question CBSE as for 2016 question paper, you can cross check it. It is a very beautiful question and the logic is very important. We are learning the logic clearly, not the question, remember it. So give importance to logic. I'll give you one more question for solving it. My next question, 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30, question mark. You find it out. This time also the number is getting bigger. Okay. Think about it. 4, 6, 12. Is a number square? or difference, double plus 1, double minus 1, anything like that. Okay, think about it, take time. 4, 6, 12. Okay, think about. You can imagine that 4 and 6. Okay, 4 and 6 definitely means what? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 into 2. So the logic is very simple. Plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. So what is your answer? The answer is 30 into 2. It is 60. Okay. So the logic is very important. Adding to doubling it. Adding to doubling it. Alternatively, you are getting the right answers. So logic is very important. Okay. So now we discuss 4 questions in this video, and you realize 5 logic for solving these questions. So if you are considering 10 questions, or if you are solving 10 questions, you are getting 10 logic in series. So that is the important lessons for learning number series. And we'll come up with the next session of alphabet series and all. Keep watching. See you soon. Thank you.